I'm ripping in my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What is good, people? Bang place for me. Console update. Whatever we're doing this is. I got to finish cutting out that last piece where we're gonna mount our radio and equalizer, or maybe just the radio. At this point, I don't really know. So I think we got to measure it off like 7 by 11. We're gonna get that cut. These clamps come in handy. I mean, technically, if I pull my saw over there off the table, I'll be working on a very, very, very short timeline. By the time I do all of that, then yeah. So I just make a makeshift bench or whatever. I got it clamped down on the edge of the table. Sturdy enough for me to be able to cut it. And then yeah, cut it back on. Alright, so been doing quite a bit of work off camera, but it seems so much more productive that way. So this part right here, I cut it to be a backup. Just because I know this is the one I'm gonna have to go inside, and I'm gonna have to cut the place for the equalizer and for the radio. And yeah, a little scary. Anyway, I got a backup piece for that. I'll show you that the first one that I cut that I already have on there in a second. And then I have a hole saw that I picked up from Harbor Freight, along with the Harbor. Did real well. It was my first time using one. It did the job. I mean, I don't know what else you can say. It did the job. So as long as you get the job done for me, I don't got no issues. You know, Harbor Freight on mine. Harbor Freight gang, Coyote gang. You know what I'm saying? All that good shit. And a little bit of Milwaukee. So yeah, we got the holes cut out for our cup holders. Show you how that now. The other cup over here. So this is what we're currently working with. Like I said, I got the holes cut for the console or for the cup holders. I still have to go back and cut the hole for the radio. I don't know that I'm gonna do the radio speakers on the side, but well, I was gonna say I don't know. It's nothing. We'll go back and do it later. If I decide to do it, I mean, I might go ahead and cut the holes for it. I don't know. I think we already bought the speakers, so I think we kind of already committed. But before I do that, I wanna mock up how the radio and everything is gonna sit on there. But overall, you know, not too shabby, coming together. Is it a professional job? No. However, will it work? Yes. Will it work? Yes, indeed. It will hold a cup or a pet can. See what else we got up here? Or parts cleaner. I mean, it will do the job. You know what I'm saying? It will do the job. May even think about, I know that some guys do the like the USB charger joint here. I have to see where I can find them at, and then I might consider. I mean, there ain't no but a little hole drill a little hole, send that thing through, mount it, and go from there. In the next video, because I gotta get ready to go to work, we will come back and we will revisit. It'll be a new video when we get some more progress. But yeah, pretty much. And see, kind of like the whole. I kind of don't like it that loose. Right, so. But at the same time, I guess to have, what's if we were gonna wrap it, like that little extra part, that extra slack in there should be taken up. Yeah. Till next time, it's your boy ENTHUSIAST. Remember, identify your weaknesses and make your strength by choice to choose wisely in productivity or procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, grind don't stop. Alright, so now back, another update. Basically what you're gonna have to do is, for whatever you're trying to put in here, you're gonna have to get the measurements. For me, I think my measurement's gonna be like something like a little bit shy of 7, like 7 3/4, or 6 3/4. No, yeah, 6 3/4, and then it should slide right off in there. And then as far as the depth or the height, should be right over an inch. Yeah, so like right over an inch and then right under 7. So I'm gonna mark it off and then we'll go from there. Alright, so next step is gonna be the radio. Measure out your opening for this. This is a typical double DIN radio, nothing special. Nothing special. So get that hole cut for that. I'm gonna show you, we already got the equalizer mounted. The equalizer's in there. And make adjustments. Whatever, it'll light up. I actually went back and ended up putting these cups in there. They're a much better fit, not as loose as them black cups, so I'm gonna probably roll with those. So let me cut the radio opening and then I'll cut y'all back on. Alright, so we're back. Man, I'm gonna say that this is not, it can be easy with the right tools, but if you don't, it could be a little bit harder. These inset cuts, I'm really not happy with, but they in there. I got a little bit of, I got some imperfections, but you know, after I wrap it or whatever, then it is what it is. Which will probably be the next step. But yeah, everything is as planned. I may even, hold on, let me try this. Alright, we back. So, In actuality, like this one, I don't know if I'm gonna cut. I might end up cutting this one over because I was thinking about flipping it around. There's enough right here, between here and there. Actually, it's a little bit dead space, if we're being honest. Yeah, so I mean, it's some dead space there. Where you could probably bring this down, but I mean, I'm not mad at the height of it. But it does the part where I cut the radio. It's like real flimsy right there, and it may or may not. It may or may not be a thing. I don't know. Probably gonna be a thing in the end. So I might just end up go ahead and cutting it over. Just because, I mean, I know me, and that's how I do it. I'll probably cut it over. But overall, no big issues. Still looks to be plenty of room for mounting speakers. You think about it, this is, let's see, how thick is that? How thick is that? So a couple things that you need to know, I guess, like the mounting depth, whatever. Only I can find my tape measure again. Oh yeah, there it is. And make sure y'all subscribe. 10,000 subscribers be taking off the tarp. Or you can find out what's up under the tarp for $4.99. Get your membership, support the channel, and get some exclusive behind the scenes footage. You know what I mean? So, bring it over here. You can see that the mounting depth is about almost 2.5 inches, and then the thickness of this is about 5/8, 3/4. So the frame there, that's a good 3 inches. It'll be backed off this way. Yeah, so it's a good 3 inches right there from the radio to there, or so yeah, a good almost 3 inches. But then when it's mounted, we'll bring it this way out some, so we should be good to go with that. That'll be the next video. Go on and cut some holes in there. Like I said, it's woodworking. It takes patience, it takes skill, it takes efforts, also takes practice and experience. So like I said in the other videos, man, I'm not taking nothing away from them guys that do this for real. You know what I'm saying? We just a DIY channel, and that's what we do over here. So, like I said in the before, if you want a professional one and you're not trying to do this shit, then shout out to my boy Steve Davis, Steve Chevy Shop. Shout out to my boy Reggie Jackson, Car Swag Customs. Those are the only two guys that I personally can vouch for. Also, there's this one dude in the G-Body community, I think his name is Deontay. He got that purple G-Body. The purple Monte Carlo, y'all know what I'm talking about. Him. So them three guys is the only three that I would personally, if I wasn't about this life, You know what I'm saying? Spend my money with, but that's just me. So. Of course, everybody gonna be like, oh man, well, see my nigga so and so do. Hey, go to your nigga so and so while you even watching the video. If niggas want to do it themselves. Alright, man, like I said, come back next video. Go ahead and do the speaker holes on the side. And then we also gonna do, like I said, I'm probably gonna do this over. I need to remeasure it because of the simple fact that, like I said, this could possibly come down some. This could possibly come down to like here. That way you still have like half an inch. But like even between there, it's not that much space. However, it's more than this. I don't know. I might not even cut this. We'll see. Tune into the next one. It's your boy LSR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it the strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity of procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, grind don't stop. Don't.